I've had this interesting piece of oak in my scraps bin for absolutely ages. I didn't really know what to do with it. And then last time I took it out, it sort of fell apart. And do you think it looks a little bit like a mountain range? Maybe, if you squint. If you've watched my channel before, you'll know that most things I make are purely practical, like a knife block, or a coffee table, or a bedside tray with a lamp. And if any of those sound interesting to you, why not go and have a look? I'll link some down in the video description. Sometimes though, I think it's important just to go and do some cutting and sticking, and that's what this video is about. This bit of oak doesn't really have much of a practical use, but it was too interesting to throw away, so I thought I'd do something with it. So what do you do when you have almost enough wood, but not quite enough wood to make the frame? You take the bits that you cut off, you glue them together. Wow, I'm going to have to plane those, aren't I? Glue them together and then cut them down to size. But that is going to need straightening. Now, currently the only thing holding this in this rather terrible frame is physics. There's no physical connection between these two things, so I'm just going to whack a couple of bits of ply across the back here with some glue and maybe some screws through these thicker parts just to hold it all together. Now around where I live, there aren't any mountains. We got hills, we got lots of hills, but we haven't got any mountains. So now, if I'm at my desk, all I need to do is have a look up on my bookshelf and see some mountains. They're not as good as the real thing, but they'll do. They'll do for now.